Naglalaro. Ah! Naglalaro. Dinidila ako. Gusto mo nagat? Napakabilis.
Ay, may maulit. Hindi.
Kasi may harang. Sino yan?
Basta ko.
Hina. Ay! Pagpag. Natamaan ako.
Hindi sagutin.
Hindi official lang ng company.
Okay, progressing. Can I please make it to the sea? Winnie.
Dapat matatanong yung tatlo. Kasi naman magbabayad, no?
Transparent waterproof coating used for waterproof.
Lumina. Si Tabasco.
Strongest Skibidi toilet after G-Man's Skibidi toilet because of his speed. But it was shown in episode 54 that the TV woman had the skills to stop his rampage. But this doesn't make him less powerful. In the 2 episodes we saw the glitch toilet, the casualties he caused in literally seconds is still insane to this day. Scientist Skibidi Toilet is the Skibidi Toilet YouTube Shorts series secondary antagonist. He is most known as the creator of the parasitic Skibidi Toilet, something which completely changed the war.
Nagdede.
Side velocity, we want this to be 0. Okay, here we go. We're about to dock with our refuel mission at 26%.
Hindi. 96 pero mo 60. Pag nagsalita ako ng presyo,